Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure Shortcuts is installed and that photos permissions are granted. Now, create a new shortcut and choose the action Select Photos so you can pick multiple images. Set Select Multiple on. Once done, add Get Images from Input if you need conversion, or skip to Save to App Actions. This gets you immediately into the workflow, so you avoid setup delays and begin automating the photo transfer to your target app. Once you've captured images, you build the core logic. Add Repeat with each to iterate every photo, then insert processing steps like Resize Image or Convert Image so the app accepts the file. Next, choose the correct delivery. Use Open App Plus Paste for apps without APIs, or get Contensive URL with Post for apps that accept uploads. Make sure to include error checks, use if to handle missing data, so the middle section runs reliably for batches. To finish, add cleanup and confirmation. Include Save File, Open App, or Get Contents of URL final steps, then show result or a notification so you know it worked. Test immediately with 1 to 3 images, then scale up. If the shortcut fails, inspect permissions first, confirm image formats and sizes, and verify any API keys or URLs. If you still fail, add logging actions and step through the shortcut to identify the specific failing action and fix it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.